pretty sure it's Bellicor. If you come kill Festus, you confederate him.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking of doing. Yeah, Festus would be a good one to grab.
Festus is fucking amazing.
Yeah.
I have 3 turns to complete this contract.
Alright. We gotta do a move here.
I could go help Cloud right now. But I need me.
God damn it! He just doesn't have enough.
I was about to say, if you wait till next turn, like, I'm literally one turn.
Yeah. That's really good. Cyrillic, right? Is that what it's called? Cyrillic? We left Ice Spear and all these shits unguarded.
I mean, it's pretty safe over there.
I know, I just get paranoid. Did you need money, Kuella?
No.
Okay.
I've got enough of that. Right now, anyway, I'm chilling.
Someone's getting strangled. Atanda uskarak munga.
Fuck yeah, see? Mr. Cloud knows a thing or two, Scalus. Mr. Cloud knows a thing or two.
Minotaurs. That takes 2 turns. I can't deal with that right now. I'm in the middle of war.
Fuck yeah.
Better stop beefing with this exile.
So
man.
Dingo already owned Hobo Life. That's cool. Oh, look who's... Hey, Rage.
Oh yeah, I'm friends with him.
Okay.
He's a pretty solid Skaven to be
Yeah, he's
allies
taken
with.
over the entire fucking Cathay area. I can, like, all those...
Oh, I declined it on accident.
It's fine. He's not gonna hate you for it.
Yeah.
He's not gonna hold
Fuck.
a grudge against you.
Immediately attacks.
What? Claimed? Excuse me? You better drop that crown. Fucking jackass. Drop it or I'll come take it off you. Actually, I'm gonna come take it off you anyway.
Actually, I want to go to March.
Is my army even good enough for that? Find out, I guess. I mean, she is in a settlement. I think I'm gonna take that. People are gonna hate me more than they used to, guys.
Oh well. Too bad, so sad.
Yeah, people are gonna really start hating me a lot now. Just don't ask why.
Lord of Torment.
And I hope we can all just find peace together.
Narun Fama.
Okay, good. Village only has one place left, and he's holed up in it.
Let me buy that for 10,000 gold. Banner of Madness, broken as fucking. Okay, my dog is just snoring now, I guess.
Alright, few more turns, and then we're gonna have to, you know.
Yeah.
Dragon Bezeki. Sumazma. Vescaris. Fahashut.
Beep boop.
Gromadrazul.
Beautiful.
Oh, Belagor just has one settlement left. I'm about to go to minus 722 relations with this guy. I don't think he likes me very much.
On my campaign I'm doing by myself with the Empire.
No,
I'm
we just
negative
took out the orcs,
1300.
Steldis. We fucked the orcs up. Fuck them.
She has the Sword of Cain.
Coming after me.
That as well.
Destroy.
Wait, why were there Empire units in that settlement? Is this guy allied with Empire? Oh, he is.
Oh.
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 Killing two birds with one stone I am, yes, yes. Oh, that's not good. That is not good at all. That is actually horrifying. I don't like that.
Wa udial abdarnu.
Yeah, let's put
Atanda
that down.
uskarakmunga. Dir asharmitakan. Undishar una erpetu. Anfa agrimazu.